Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to create an hosting panel like cPanel alternative for free. What you need is an Oracle Cloud account that is free for lifetime until Oracle is supported it. I created already one. You can also create it one. You can also watch an video on about YouTube about how to create an free or like Oracle Cloud. And then next step is when you logged in into it, here's your dashboard. You can also choose the best region. I also choose the my nearby and go to there, compute instances. In this video, we are going to creating an hosting panel where we will host our websites. In my some previous videos or some two shorts, I just showed that I will install Cloud panel. That is also a good panel. Already I hosted my sites, main websites there also, and some PHP scripts also. But when I tried to install more PHP scripts, it's showing some errors like 500 error and also some more. That it's also the main reason that why I'm going to using aaPanel is it's using Apache and Nginx both. We can switch to anything, anywhere, anytime. Okay, now first of all what you need to do is go to compute instances. Here I created an instance right now, and the previous one I deleted. Right now I just for in the when I recording the video there's an issue, then I deleted that recording video and now going to record the video again. Now let's terminate this one that I created right now. It's now terminating. Now click on create instance and name. You can name it anything, like I'm naming it cPanel dot com. Okay, and edit image, change image, Ubuntu, and select the Ubuntu 22 version. That is perfect, and click select and change the shape where we are going to use this shape. If I'm just going too fast, you can also reduce the video speed, put there 4 and put there 24 max, like drag this to max. Okay, select shape. It's giving us 4 core, 24 GB RAM and 4 GB VPS network band. Now save this private key and public key. Now specific the boot key 200 GB and there CPU 120, and just now we are going to go. We are good to go. Now click create. I already using Mobax term software, that is very good. Here's the main website Mobax term. You can also go there and install it like this, Mobax term. Download it. This is the software we are going to use to connect to our server. Okay, now there's you can see provisioning. Now go to there, open the Mobax term. After installing it, go to session SSH and here remote host, click copy this when it's running and Mobax term, paste this one. Username is Ubuntu. You can also check it out there, username Ubuntu, and advanced use private key. Pick this one and select the private key SSH key that we just downloaded, and also I want to create an bookmark in the desktop. Here's you can see there's the bookmark. I just delete the previous and there's remaining. Okay, now click on create. Okay, it's now authenticated. Okay, now first of all what you need to do is check the host name. Okay, cpanel grwebdevs.com. Now change the host name. Like this, there are commands hostname ctl. This is also command to check the host name. Let's check it out through this command. You can right click and paste. Okay, is it showing us the things or the many things. Here's the new host name. Set new host name. Like I'm going to setting the host name cpanel.grwebdevs.com. Copy these, paste. Okay, host name checkout cpanel static host name is now set it. Now go to this, paste this. Here's dot dot. Okay, there's also and control X, write yes and enter. Now check the host name again. Okay, cpanel.grwebdevs.com. Now reboot it. Reboot now. Okay, permission denied. We are not in sudo su minus. Now before rebooting I am just going to update apt update. That is a basic command to update the repositories. Apt update. This is an very easy steps. You just need to follow my the steps I'm just doing. Here's these steps only. These are commands I will also paste in the description. You can also copy and paste. Now it's showing us run the apt upgrade command. Okay, upgrade. Wait, I write there the update apt upgrade. Okay, now it showed. Press Y, enter. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to update or upgrade all the repositories and packages in it. So I'm just pausing the video right here. If it show like these things, you just press OK. Like just press the enter in the keyboard and space 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 and press enter. Okay, it's now good to go. Now just reboot the server one time. Reboot now. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to reboot the server. After 1 minute just press the R button. It will reconnect to the server auto. You just did not do to anything. There's you can see there the server is running. Press R. Okay, now login as root user, sudo su space minus, and now root at the cpanel, and now run the main script of installation, aaPanel free edition install script that I am going to also give you. Here's Okay, paste it there. Mouse right click to paste it. Press Y and enter. Okay, just copy these also right now, or you can also when it show you the other thing. So in the instances, go to instances and subnet, go to WP subnet. While it installing the panel, you should add some ports. Open the ports, some of ports. Go to the panel we created, and go to the subnet. Here's it will be different for you, and go to this default security list. Okay, default security list. I already added ports. Open the ports. You should need to open these ports. I also write in the description. Here's you can also watch here. Port 80 for HTTP, 443 for HTTPS, FTP data, FTP control, FTP connection port, 8443 Cloud Panel. This does not need to add it because when I tried Cloud Panel, I added this one also. 8090 Cyber Panel port. When I install the Cyber Panel, this is for Cyber Panel. You does not need it. STRCP 8083 aaPanel main port. I added it. Just remove this one. It does not. Also, I does not need it. These also. I can also remove these one also. Just I am going to show you one. Here's you need to add these 0.0.0.0/0, and here's the port. Put this. Here our installation is successfully, and here's the login URL, and it's showing if you cannot access the panel, reduce the following ports. Okay, this is the main port 36698. Okay, Control C to copy and paste it there, and write description for aaPanel main port. You can also write anything to remember. Okay, click add. Here is an easiest way to add the port. Just copy this and paste these here, and here the port, any port you want to open, and description of is optional, and click add. It will be opened. Okay, now what we need to do is one time just reboot it, but before rebooting it you need to copy this to a secure place like this. Control C, and here's my previous one, and remove this and paste this. Okay, now right there, reboot now, and press enter. It will be take 1 minute or 2 minutes to reboot the server. Then you will be able to access the server through the link. Here's the link, the first one. Copy and open here, paste it. Okay, now it's showing us advanced. Click on advanced, proceed. It will show you the login page. Click username, copy the password, login. Succeed. Loading. First time it will need to take some time to open the server, like 10 to 15 minutes, because it will need to set up these things like Apache and other things, or Nginx, when whatever you want to use. The main reason that I does not show you the Cloud Panel installation in this video is that I used in Cloud Panel. You can saw the videos on my channel that I am using and telling that I will give you a full video on it, how to install it, how to set up it, how to run websites on it. But right now I'm showing you this aaPanel installation Oracle Cloud, but you are confusing that why I does not show you the Cloud Panel installation, because I need in an Apache. In Cloud Panel, Apache is not installed, and in this aaPanel, what the great thing in aaPanel is it supports both. You can install Nginx, Apache, but Cloud Panel is pre-configured with Nginx. That is perform well. Speed, your website speed is also increased, but in Apache, PHP scripts are more compatible to install. Okay, let's go with it. Click on mail server. Okay, one click, request of installation, edit to installer. It will take mm, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's also depended on your server you choose there, like this India, West Mumbai. I choose this region. This also depends. Okay, I'm using Mobax term software to connect to it. Here's you can also click card to reconnect it, and as to save terminal output. Mobax term is the best. I tried also Putty and Bitwise, but they are not good in it. Maybe there's it. I think I deleted it. Okay, thanks for installing. Congratulations. Okay, it's now installing it Apache. It will take some time while it configuring, and make sure you should make sure to add these open these ports in your server through networking. You can also go to the networking, and also there's virtual cloud networks. Then select this one, utility details. But the easiest way to navigate there is go to instances and open your panel. Like this is my running panel, and go to subnet. This is the easiest way to go to there. Okay, now open Cloudflare to point the domain. Like in, you will saw in my previous videos that cpanel.grwebdevs.com, when I hit enter, it's showing us the my cloud panel. Why also it's stored it as an SSL certificate installed, because I pointed it to the server IP and set up this. Now go to the DNS records. You need to connect your domain to the Cloudflare. I already connected it to it. DNS, go to DNS and records, and delete all records, delete all other records. If you don't know about anything, just delete all records and add the CNAME record www.grwebdevs.com and DNS only. All, and then you can, next step is grwebdevs.com to the IP address of the server. What is the IP address of the server is, you can check it out there. Is a public IP address of the server. Here you can see that website is down and is installing right now. Go to there, edit, paste, and save. Add new record. You can also add new record, create new subdomains. Like if we want to create a cPanel 2 and point this to the server IP address, and also make sure to unclick this. Okay, DNS only, and save. this will create a subdomain that is pointing to this there. Okay, you can also check it that DNS checker from DNS checker that DNS code is pointing or not. cpanel 2.grwebdevs.com it records. There's you can see that it's pointing right now. In the New Zealand Auckland it's not working. Okay, it's stick mean working resolved. Okay, here's it will take 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just pausing the video and I will resume the video when it is installed. It's taking too long. I don't know why. I think I chose Apache that way. uh, Previous steps when I in my previous experience when I install it aaPanel when I install the aaPanel it's installed just in 30 minutes, but right now you can check out the time 11:13 when we started the panel. Here's will be information I think. Okay, instances, yeah, 1724. Okay, okay, this is showing I think Indian or something others country, but I think 30 minutes above is time consumed, but right now it's showing 97 on the MySQL. Only Apache is installed and it's installing now MySQL 98%, and then it will install 8.3 PHP, your FTPD, PHP my mail system. Okay, 100% MySQL installed at 100%. It will show there when it install. So don't worry if it take too long, just wait, it will install auto. You does not need to do anything until it installing. We cannot change settings until it installing. After it installed all the things, we will configure an custom domain to access our panel, not to remember this IP and ports and other thing. Just we will just need to remember our panel is like cpanel.grwebdevs.com. I'm just deleting this subdomain that we created, cpanel2 DNS checker, where we check it's correctly DNS is pointing to the server IP. I'm just going to delete this one. Okay, delete, does not need it. We will use this cpanel.grwebdevs.com, and I am also going to test to deleting this one also. Here's click on edit and delete. Make sure to remove all the other things. I already know about this Zoho email I configured manually, so I'm not going to delete these. And if you don't know about these all records, you can delete all or test it out. Okay, uh, now I'm going to copy to all the domains like this, so they point to the my server. While it installing the now MySQL is installed, now it installing 8.3 PHP 8.3, then it will install these. Okay, will installing to do some work. You can also configure other things after it, like we will configure uh, alias name, change the alias name, does not change anything like from there, you don't know. Okay, server IP does not change, and panel user, change it, I will change it, and panel password, bind account, I already bind the account, Hmm. How to bind an account is you just need to create an account on aaPanel website. Okay, menu bar hidden, does not need to do anything. Panel SSL, Google Authenticator if you want to use, I will use it. And domain name, any domain name that you want to access from your like cpanel dot, I will enter there. And authorized IP like my IP, and panel port you can change it, like right now 36698 is the panel port, you can change it. Security entrance is this, you can change it also. Password expiry set, temporary login. Okay, mail server, files, account, terminal, databases, Docker, monitor, FTP, WP toolkit, website. We will we will explore all these things also. While it is installing, we cannot do anything. Like we cannot change anything. It will show. It will give us an error that it while it's installing. We cannot configure. Please run the program when all install tasks finish. This is here. Okay, if it's stuck, they also tell you that the task is not executed for a long time. Try to raise the task at the homepage restart panel. Okay, here's the restart panel. Restart, fix, update, language changes. Version is this, version pro version also from convert there. This the load status, and also check that smooth, load is smooth. And this is my account. System is Ubuntu, and uptime is 0 days because we just created it right now. Yes, so check it out. Apache and MySQL is installed. Okay, total to install. Okay, 8.3 is installing right now. We will install more things from the App Store. We can also install more things from the App Store like PHP, other versions like 8.4, any PHP version. You can check it out. There are many available for free. Okay, you can also install these things: Open Lightspeed, Docker, Nginx, MongoDB, Docker Manager, Java Manager, and many other things. There are some pro in it. Google Drive free backup. Okay, that's good. Google Cloud Storage, AWS, Amazon S3 free. Okay, FM, PG Manager, good. System boot times, system firewall. Okay, server performance testing. The anti-spam gateway, log cleanup, supervisor, PHP Guardian, Nginx free firewall, MariaDB multi-version management. Okay, this is also good. There is a good store of plugins. Okay, let's wait some more time because it's taking too long. I think there's an 1 hour past that I am waiting. Okay, let's pause the video right now so your time does not waste. Oh, so guys, all the tasks are finished. Now let's go to settings. As you can check it out, all tasks are finished. Installation finished, and go to settings. Okay, let's set up configuration successful. Okay, main right to jump to place menu, click button. Okay, main com. This in H. Continue. Okay, access panel. 36698. Okay, increase verification fail. Okay, they're showing that increase verification failed. I don't know why, but we need to access. Okay, okay. We need to add this patch this and click access panel. It should be accessed. Okay, now it's working. Add this username, password, click login. Okay, now it's logged in successfully. Our domain is connected. You can check it out. Here's aaPanel.peerwebdev.com. Access port. We will also change this port to 844 and other. Here's we just connected the domain, and now we can add websites. Let's try just one and complete this video. The video is too much longer, 31 minutes, and just add in a website. Database account name is WordPress. Okay, default category. Okay. WordPress deploy. Yeah, this one is best. One click WordPress. Website title test log. English. WordPress backend username is the admin, and admin allow weak password. Mail. Okay, confirm. We already pointed the domain to the from Cloudflare to the IP. Here you can check. Oh no, this is not pointed. Uh, what? It's not showing running. Let's check it out. Let's install as well. Need let's buy as well. Go to that script, fix this, DNS verification, route web, go with verification, apply and open. Okay, force HTTPS on, setup successfully, save, certificate saved, PHP version, you can change it from there, in web, others, composer, redirect, words box, audio protection, traffic control, URL rewrite, quality document, config. Okay, limit access, site directory, password access, subdirectory binding. Okay, let's close these up and refresh these one more time. Okay, SSL. Okay, now go to this domain manager, connect this. Okay, here you can check it out that WordPress is working right now. Now we will in the next video install more PHP scripts and more things or other things we will set up. I show you how to install it. Just easy to install. Just click on install and it will show you quick install. You can also compile. Quick install is best. Just click on quick install. Installation task is started. 90 MB. Like window or not, just cross this one and install more PHP version as you required. Okay, I'm going to install more things. You can also do this thing. Click on this install. Okay, 7.3. Okay, and the thing like task manager, you can purchase it separately. FTP manager, FMP manager. Okay, log cleanup, supervisor, PHP guardian, Linux tools. Okay, let's install this one, Linux tools. I think it will be best for us. You can install plugins according to your requirements. Okay, some plugin and take longer some applications. This one also. Whenever you install plugins, always all these things. So you need to install SSL, maybe in security, because I can't not able we are not able to access our panel using HTTPS. I don't know why. Sometimes it takes some time to install the SSL, so be patient. Go to security. Here we go, maybe SSL issue. Here you can also check it out that which ports are working or not. There are plenty working. You can also add port rule here, but I remind you to add the ports from there. Oracle, it will be good. Here you can check it out that it's installing results. taking too long. CPU usage is increased. This is the process how you will install the SSL in the cPanel, your panel domain. Like will need to add site and then click SSL, and then we created an SSL like in the WordPress. Then the same step, just create an SSL and post HTTP and click save. And then when you will go to the cPanel after some time .graphics.com, it will show you this. Okay, now it's using the SSL also. And when you enter the port here like this, port is this one, and also the authentication code, this which you will get it. It will take some time to fetch the SSL, but overall when you visit the main website it will show you the index page with SSL certificate installed. Okay, in today's video this is just things that I want to show you. I hope you like it, and if you want the next part of this video I will make sure to make an part in a few days of this on this topic, and next about how to install PHP scripts in it. I will record the videos and how to set up other things like security, how to manage security, and how you will configure other settings, Google Authenticator, alarm, and port changing, password expiry, databases management, files manager, mail server, how we will use mail server, other things. We will check it out this in the next part. So make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell notification so you get notification whenever I upload the video on my channel. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.